Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the site in Google Search Console, because without ownership you cannot request removals. Once done, remove or restrict the URL on the origin server, return a 410, delete the file, or add password protection so content disappears from the web. Make sure to add a noindex meta tag or update robots if you want Google to stop recrawling. These steps change the source. They prevent reappearance and let Google recognize the content is gone. Now use the Removals tool in Search Console to start the official takedown process. Select Temporary Removals and paste the exact URL. You will also request cached snapshot removal if sensitive info is still visible in the cache. Once submitted, Google hides the result quickly while it recrawls the origin site. Make sure to also request a recrawl. Submit an updated sitemap, or use URL inspection and request indexing so the permanent source change is detected. Finish by confirming the URL returns a 404 or 410, or that a noindex meta is present, then use URL inspection to verify Google sees the change. If the removal isn't accepted, resubmit after fixing server responses, contact your host to remove caches, or escalate via legal request if the content is unlawful. Make sure to clear CDN caches and remember, changes can take time. Wait up to 2 weeks for Google to recrawl and reflect the permanent removal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.